In this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert a Google document into a Microsoft Word document or even something like a PDF. I get asked this question quite often, so I'm going to show you how easy it is to do. Now you can see that I am in my Google Docs space, and I'm just going to click on one of these templates that I have in front of me here. So as you can see, this is a Google document, and say for example I needed to send this document on to someone that maybe didn't use Google Docs, or maybe someone that needed it in a PDF format. Well, it's very easy to do. What you need to look for is the file option on the top left hand corner, and go down to the section where it says download. Now once you hover over this section, you'll see there's a few different options for you to choose from. So if I wanted the document converted into a Microsoft Word document, all I would need to do is click on it and that would download onto my computer and I can send that on to whoever. If I wanted to do it in a PDF document, I just click on it and it will automatically download into a PDF. So as you can see here, whenever I open this document now, it is converted into a PDF and I can send this on as a PDF. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, peace.